Hey guys, welcome back on the channel. This video is to highlight my most recent trip to Florida for sun and fun. I had my cousin with me. It was his first time flying long distance in a small plane. So we did the flight from Tennessee all the way down to Tampa, Florida. We stopped in Georgia for fuel to top off and then head straight down to Tampa for sun and fun. When we got in Tampa, got into a car, drove to Lakeland for sun and fun. It was great. It was one of the best experiences in my life, and I hope you enjoy the video.
Picture 11 o'clock, 2 miles southbound indicating 5,500, type unknown.
Second contact looking for Zero.
70 Bravo, turn to left, heading 290, maintain 6,000.
And 7 Foxtrot Delta is parked way back there. We're gonna have fun. Sun and fun.
Yo no entiendo, lo que pasa es que ya yo más o menos entiendo.
Evolution. Well, it's a LX7. One of the fastest aircraft there is in general aviation. This thing can go fast. That's for real. LX7. Sling aircraft. This one is nice. First time seeing one up close. Diamond Airways, Diamond Aircraft, DA62 RG. And the Pipistrel Pantera. Pipistrel Pantera is nice. Experimental 4-seater. Can go fast. So talking about a dream plane, this is it. The Beechcraft G36 Bonanza G36. This is the plane right there. Talking about a beauty. This is a true beauty. Look at the inside of this plane. This is a true beauty right here.
So this is the ELA 10 Eclipse Evo. Has a Rotax 915, 140 horsepower. It's the fastest gyro plane in the world. You can do 125 miles an hour in this thing. The cruise in this gyro is about 117 miles per hour. You do 6.5 gallons an hour of fuel. Roughly, if you guys are at your economic cruise, which is about 110 miles an hour, you burn 5 gallons an hour of fuel. You can get about 4 hours of flying out of that. It's got a 400 nautical mile range, and it's just all around fun to fly. You got a useful load of 510 pounds, so you could do two 200-pound people in this gyro, and you can still put 100 pounds of fuel, which is 2 hours of flying. So makes it a lot of fun.
The Blue Angels.